These budget-friendly decor ideas will be sure to brighten up your home for the holidays. You want to make sure that if you grab pine cones from outside like I did, that they are bug-free. First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees and place them on a lined cookie sheet. Let them bake for at least 30 minutes. They will be bug-free and ready to go. Grab a dollar store planter and some sticks. Cut down the sticks to size and hot glue them to the planter. For the top, poke a longer stick into a foam ball. Then hot glue pine cones to it, covering the ball as much as possible. Following that, add some floral foam to the bottom of the planter and stick the top in it. Cover the foam with moss. The pine cones more than likely will not cover the whole foam ball, so you can add some moss or other greenery to the top as well. These little topiaries would be perfect to brighten up a table or a mantle for the holidays. Grab a foam cone and begin hot gluing pine cones all the way around. Add some holly and leaves to cover the spots that aren't covered with pine cones. You can also add fairy lights to make it glow. This little Christmas tree is such a colorful accent to any room. Grab a leftover faux pumpkin and hollow it out. Grab some craft paint and begin painting the top of each pine cone. Next, add some floral foam to the bottom of the pumpkin. Twist some wire on the pine cones and attach them to a floral pick. Add them to the floral foam inside the pumpkin. Add some greenery as well. Finally, paint the center of your faux mums using craft paint. And there you have the perfect floral centerpiece that will last forever. Grab some pine cones and paint them any color of your choosing or leave them bare. After that, grab an old hanger and begin molding it into a wreath form. Next, attach your pine cones using a combination of wire and hot glue. Add a bow, and there you have the perfect holiday wreath. I hope this inspires you to get crafty with items you already have lying around. Be sure to check back for my next video.
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.